How to find your IBAN or BIC code or SWIFT code of Lloyds Bank. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So your IBAN, International Bank Account Number, and BIC, that is Bank Identifier Code, also known as SWIFT code, are needed for international payments to and from some other countries outside the UK. They are used instead of account numbers and sort codes. So you need to first log in to the online for business. Select More Actions next to the account receiving the payment and select Account Information to find the IBAN or BIC. And in case of commercial banking online, you need to log into commercial banking online first. Go to Manage Payment and select Bank Account Summary. You will see your list of accounts and select Manage Columns on the right side. Then check the box next to IBAN and select OK. A new column will appear showing the IBANs for all of your accounts. And to save this view for the future use, you can select Save View in the top right corner. You can then quickly return to the view by selecting it from the View menu. Your BIC or the SWIFT code can be found on your bank statement. Currently, you cannot view it in a commercial bank online. And to find it on a paper bank statement, your IBAN and BIC are located on the first page of your paper statement in the top right corner, just below your sort code and account number. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.